Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure Instagram is up to date and has camera and microphone permission. Once done, open Stories and pick the photo or video that will act as your background. Next, tap the sticker icon, choose the camera sticker and tap to record or take a selfie. This creates the picture-in-picture layer. You're already composing the scene, so position the overlay roughly where you want it to sit and continue to the next step to refine size, angle, and timing. Once the camera sticker is on screen, you refine its look. Pinch to resize, drag to reposition, and rotate with 2 fingers to match composition. If you need a different view, tap the sticker to flip between front and rear cameras or record directly inside the sticker for a live reaction. Make sure to adjust recording length or trim so the pi-p matches the background clip. This keeps your timing synced. If you plan to pin the overlay to a moving subject, prepare to use the pinning step next. You finish by pinning the overlay to a moving object if needed. Long press the sticker, choose pin, then scrub the clip to attach it. After that, add text, stickers, or music and confirm alignment. When satisfied, tap share or save to drafts or camera roll so you don't lose progress. If the camera sticker won't appear, make sure Instagram is updated, reboot the app, and verify camera permission in your phone settings. Reinstall only if problems persist, and then retry.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.